hands in the air and let's wave. Come on, make some noise for Saloni and Shreyas.
Young when I first saw you, I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we're dead if they knew. So close your eyes, escape this town for a little while. 'Cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me. They're trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know what to think. He nails to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Juliet. You never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talked to your cat, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say
So friends and family from Shreyas' side and Saloni's side, quickly come here for a quick energizer. Let's kickstart this fantastic evening with another energizer. So I would want both the family and friends, bega barbeku, come on with your LED sticks. Everybody with your LED sticks. I want everybody.
escape this town for a little while. 'Cause you were Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me. They're trying to tell me how to feel. This love is difficult, but it's real.
ਅੱਜ ਸਜਿਆ ਏ ਵੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ, ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆਵੇ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਰ। ਹਾਏ ਸਜਿਆ ਏ ਵੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ, ਅੱਜ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਆਵੇ ਰੱਬ ਦੀ ਮਹਿਰ। ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਚੋਂ ਡਿੱਗਦੇ ਹੰਝੂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦੇ, तेरी बन जाना अज तू सजना वे। अखियां चो डिगदे हंजू खुशियां दे, तेरी बन जाना ਅੱਜ ਤੋਂ ਸਜਣਾ ਵੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਚੜਿਆ ਅੱਜ ਵੇਲਾ ਵੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਚੜਿਆ ਅੱਜ ਵੇਲਾ ਵੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਨੱਚਣਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੇ
Alrighty. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have quite a lot of performances tonight. So let's not waste any more further time. And let's quickly start the first performers coming up on stage. So one the request ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೇ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರು I want you guys to clap, hoot and do all the good things possible. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ effort ತಗೊಂಡು they are all practice and they are coming and performing right in front of you. So ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಲೋನಿ ಅವರ ಮಮ್ಮಿ along with her cousins. ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jyoti madam, Veena madam, Anita madam, Pooja madam, Geeta madam, Uma madam, Rajeshwari and Nayana. Can we quickly have all the wonderful dancers on the stage? the Jora, the Chapale. Actually, all the beautiful ladies stay back for a picture together. I think everybody became really, really emotional. No being emotional. But ಒಂದು quick question ಇದೆ. Actually, madam, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ first ನಾನು ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು. Okay, and I was a little confused. I thought you were Saloni's sister and not Saloni's mother. Do you guys agree with me? Yes, a little more louder. Do you agree? Of course. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ನ ರಹಸ್ಯ ಏನು ಮೇಡಮ್? What is the secret behind your beauty? We want to know. She's shy. She doesn't want to tell us. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇವ್ರ ತರನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Very, very nice. Okay. So I think it's time for all of you to kindly come on the stage for a beautiful picture, and after that we can disperse. Thank you. Thank you so much. All of you were absolutely lovely. Thank you once again for coming up on stage. Everybody were lovely. Thank you. One the Jora, the Chapale. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a big round of applause? This was Saloni's mother and her fantastic cousins on stage. Thank you. Thank you once again. All right. So, Iga, we have the next set of performers all ready. So, we had the ladies dance. Iga, nama Rajendra sir, Rajendra Square anta heltini. So, we have the fathers from both sides of the family coming forward. So, on the Jora, the Chapale, can we give it up for Rajendra Kumar sir, Hagu Rajendra Gowda sir, dayavitu stage mele barbeku. I want everybody to make some noise because this is going to be one of a kind performance by two gentlemen here. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to witness a one-of-a-kind performance by all the cool boys. So can we all make some noise for the Daisy Boys, everybody? Music, please. ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. Come on everybody, give it up for Rajendra Kumar sir ಹಾಗೂ Rajendra Gowda sir. Once again, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sophia, Nana, Sneha and Apurva. So sit back and enjoy.
Wow. Yeah. शुरू करें.
Come on everybody, clap for the music. Come on, make it up, give it up for the beautiful girl.
मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. मुंडा थोड़ा ऑफ बीट है पर कुड़ियां दे नाल बहुत स्वीट है. ढोंगी सा ये बड़ा ढीठ है, वायरल हो गया ये ट्वीट पर.
फूल वूल करने में कूल तू बड़ी तेज कटारी है. शगन तेरी की लगन तेरी की हमने कर दी तैयारी है.
नच देने सारे everybody आज लूटू खेले सारे के सारे नजारे. नच देने सारे रल मिल के आज हिले डुल खेले सारे के सारे नजारे. खसमानो गाने.
You know she like the drama, yeah she a sexy mama. And when she dance, everybody go. You know she like the drama, yeah she a sexy mama. And when she dance, everybody go.
Come on everybody, make some noise.
तो भोली कितनी उतनी पर टेढ़ी चीज है. बातें करे है कड़वी कड़वी फिर भी अजीज है. इतर गुलाबों वाली बोतल शराबों वाली टोटल तबाही वाला सीन है. अदाएं बड़ी फंकी करे है
second. I have a question here, and before that, let's take a moment to appreciate the very beautiful Naina. Actually, Saloni, I have to tell you this. Naina has been running around since morning. I think all the three girls, but since I know Naina a little closely, so Naina has been running around making sure that this event goes, you know, seamlessly and it becomes a grand success. On the Jora, the Chapale. Come on, everybody, give it up for our very beautiful Naina, Sophia, and Apurva, Sneha as well. Thank you so much. I have one question to you. So what is that one word that comes to your mind? Saloni anta helid takshana, what is that one word that defines her?
I think she's the queen.
She's a queen. How cute. Okay.
Drama queen.
Ah, this is the answer that we were waiting for. Okay, what about you, Sneha?
She's a princess.
How cute. Okay, so princess, drama queen is what they are saying. So lovely sisters, and thank you so much. Any special message that you have for Saloni?
So she's going to make it magical, just like she made this wedding. It's all her.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for coming on stage. Three of you were amazing. Thank you once again. All right, so ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ to rock and roll. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for all the kids out here. So I'd request Virat, Shaurya, Preesha, Adya, and Sanvi to kindly come on the stage. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy, please.
तू होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी
Come on, audience, everybody clap together. Clap,
अंग्रेजी पढ़ती गिट पिट तू करती जिम्मे कोई न साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन सी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा
Come on, everybody, give it up for Virat and Shaurya.
Another banger. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet like phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, you know they for me young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your lo, 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 oh, 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 oh. You got me like whoa, 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 whoa. Shawty, come give me your lo, 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 whoa, whoa, whoa,
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा
Come on, everybody.
तौबा 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 हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 औ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साडा हाले थोड़ा साफ जा नहीं लगदा इरादा हुत मारी लंबी नहीं रखी है मोटे यार ने है दिखदा परादा नहीं हो देखदा पराडा फिगर तो लगदी लटीनो एक बारी दस दो जी इन्ने क्यों शकीनो कल ही तू इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो हाँ तेनू क्यों ना दिखा तेरे तो की सिखा
Okay, everybody, sing along. Give it up for Virat.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 बिगड़े ज्यादा सुधरे हुए कम अब तोड़ेंगे हर कायदा खामोश नहीं शाम से कल मिलो काम से अभी तो हम देख लो बिल्कुल गए के घर के सारे
everybody to clap with the music. Yelladu, music jodege. Clap, clap, clap.
मैं डालूं ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा वाले चल रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
Sing along.
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे है घूमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो
Everybody make some noise. Woo, woo, woo.
सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला पूड़ियां
Amazing. Yeah, one second. Anybody has a pen and a paper? I want to take an autograph from them. What are your names? Adya, Sanvi, and Adya. So, Sanvi, are you a professional dancer? You're going to classes.
I love dance. I love to dance. My dream is I want to become a dancer.
Wow, and the Jora, the Chapale. Come on, everybody, give it up for this wonderful, beautiful girls here. Sanvi and Adya, come forward. Virat, come forward. And of course, the gentlemen here, silent agi idru, violent agi dance madida nama Shaurya gave the Jora, the Chapale. Very, very nice. So, Shaurya has something really special for the both of you, Saloni and Shreyas. So, Shaurya, are you ready? The mic is all yours.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶೌರ್ಯ ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಸಂತ ಮಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಲೋನಿ ದೇರಿ ನನ್ನ ಲಗ್ನ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ನದ ಆಯಿತು ನನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದ ಮತ್ತೊಂದುವ ಆಯಿತು. Before I carry on any further, I would like to congratulate the couple on their marriage. I hope you guys have a wonderful time and life together. During our tough time in India in 2021, me and my brother were separated from our parents due to a medical emergency. Both of us were stuck in Gadag with my grandparents, and my parents stayed in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, until my dad finished his treatment. When my brave dad finished it, both of them went to Bangalore to stay with Shreyas Mama's parents. This was a matter of 1.5 months, and my brother and I were 6 and 8. I never saw my parents this whole time, except for the traditional WhatsApp video calls. I was super scared. When I was in Gadag, everybody cared for me, especially my grandparents. They gave me food when I was hungry and water when I was thirsty. In fact, from this experience, I got a new favorite food, bali and shikani. Furthermore, I also like the egg burji and curry from the corner shop. My grandma went out and beyond to get me this. I loved it. I get water in my mouth when I think of it. In fact, it's happening now. I also had many to entertain me, and they wanted to auntie to help me with studies that I missed during COVID time. After a long wait, my brother and I travelled all the way from Gadag to Bangalore by car. When we reached, we got a warm welcome from everybody there. These included Police Aja, Aji, Shreyas Mama, and Saloni Didi themselves. And of course, there were my parents. I was elated and ecstatic. Everybody cared for my parents, no matter what the situation was. Especially Police Aja helped a lot. He gave my parents hope and optimism when it was needed. Eventually, we got to our house in Reading, the UK. It was August 2022 when Sant Mama came to our house in the UK for his engineering studies at the world-renowned Cranfield University. When he reached, we were super excited as we had never had a family member from India come to our house before, except my grandparents. After this, Saloni Didi came for studies at Edinburgh University for architecture. As me and my brother love non-veg, this was a perfect opportunity for us to eat as much as we wanted to. My parents are vegetarian. We went to Nando's, Chili's, and God knows what else. I remember one day when me, my brother, and Saloni Didi and Shreyas Mama went to Chili's. When my dad sent a receipt back home, all the food that we ordered was chicken. It consisted of butter chicken, naan, chicken wings, and coriander chicken. My dad was surprised, but at the same time amused. During Christmas time, we all spent time at the Winter Wonderland at Hyde Park, London. All of us had lots of fun. During this time, me and a mischievous brother sensed that something was brewing between them. After a whole year of studies, both of them went back to India. As soon as we knew it, my mum saw a status that showed Santamama proposing to Saloni Didi. My brother and I were right, and they were officially soulmates. I hope this speech shows how caring their families are and how hard-working the couple is. On behalf of the Virajda family, I want to say congratulations to you both and thanks to your family. And Santamama, I hope you're listening. Happy wife equals happy life.
ಏನ್ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಮ್ಮ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಲೈಫ್. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ? That is what I was looking at madam there. She's always smiling 24/7. So the reason behind that is because you're just saying yes to everything what she tells. Correct, Alva? Very, very nice. But I'm actually a little scared where Shaurya will take up my job. Such a nice comparing thing that you did. Yeah, very, very nice. Can we give it up for Shaurya, everybody? Very, very good. Thank you so much for coming on stage. All the 4 rock stars, you guys were absolutely stunning. One picture together, and after that we'll get off. On the Jora, the Chapare, come on for these wonderful rock stars. Thank you so much, Virat, Shaurya, Adya, and Sanvi. Thank you once again. All right. So, Ika, we have the next set of performers already. So, Saloni or a family bandu dance madidaitu. It's time for the groom's family to come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy. We have the groom's cousins coming up on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the groom's cousins coming up on stage. Nitin, Gayatri, Vaishnavi, Malu, Nishant, and Varsha.
So again, well, let's start off with a small cute story. Shreyas is sitting a few rows behind, nervously peeking over at Saloni. A spotlight focuses on the trio.
Hey Saloni, quick question. Among all my brothers, who's your favorite?
Whoever you like the most is my favorite too.
How many times will she toss the question? Am I that bad? Even Saif Ali Khan has better luck in this movie.
Saloni had a secret. Shreyas had hope. And Gayatri, well, she was just in the middle of all the popcorn drama. But what happens when the silence finally breaks? Here you go, guys.
Let me hear you shout. Come on.
Come on, everybody, clap with the music. Make some noise. Woo, woo. Everybody sing along.
पंजाबी तितली
Make some noise, guys.
यार वही वही उंगली पे नचाउंदी ਏ पॉइंट ब्लैंक पे एंड काउंटर करदी यार वही वही
Guys, now, after 10 years of shared laughter, dreams, and countless moments, Shreyas knew it was time to make Saloni's most cherished dream come true. Paris. The city she had always dreamt of. The symbol of now. And now, the setting for the most important questions of their lives.
Paris, the Eiffel Tower, and a ring. What could go wrong? Oh wait, everything if she says no.
Wait, isn't Disneyland supposed to be this way? Why are we here?
Yeah, but first let's do a quick photo shoot here. You always want a photo in front of the Eiffel Tower, right? So,
And just like that, Shreyas popped the question in front of the Eiffel Tower with the perfect ring in the city of love.
Saloni, will you finally make me the happiest man alive by marrying me?
But Saloni was stunned. She forgot to respond. Time stood still. And Shreyas' knees started to cramp.
Saloni, my knee isn't built for this. Can you please say something before I fall?
Yes, 1,000 times yes.
And with that, Saloni's dream came true. And Shreyas proved that even after 10 years, still has its own surprises. That was the end of a beautiful story, guys. Congratulations, Shreyas and Saloni. We love you both.
सजा के दूल्हा छा रहा है शुभ मंगल सावधान
Come on, everybody. Clap the music. Clap, clap. Ooh. How cute. Can we give it up for this wonderful love story, everybody, on the Jorada Chapale for Saloni, Shreyas, and of course to Shreyas' cousins. Thank you so much. What a cute performance it was. Audience, I don't think you're doing justice except the beautiful lady standing here right in front of me. For the Jorada Chapale, come on, everybody, give it up for the wonderful cousins. Thank you so much, all of you. Were absolutely stunning. Thank you. So, Ika, we have the next set of performers coming up on stage. So our beautiful bride along with her cousins are coming on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy. I'd request Saloni, Sophia, Nana, Sneha and Apurva to kindly come on the stage.
Not just with me. Only 10 sprays a day?
सजना आईना ऐसे मोहे लाज सजना छूना ना देखो मोहे आज सजना
Fantastic cousins, very beautifully portrayed. Chicken biryani in the ಹಿಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಏನೇನು ಇಷ್ಟನೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸಲೋನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹರ್ ಕಸಿನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಿತಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋಫಿಯಾ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮೆನ್, ಸಿಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್. ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना, ओ दीदी तेरा देवर दीवाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों को डाले दाना,
भाभी तेरी बहना को माना, ओ भाभी तेरी बहना को माना, हाय राम कुड़ियों का है जमाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों का है जमाना, रब्बा मेरे मुझको बचाना, ओ रब्बा मेरे मुझको बचाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों का है जमाना, हाय राम कुड़ियों का है जमाना.
Oh my goodness, what a cute performance. Did I hear once more? No, Nitin will hit me if I say once more. Huh? I'm not telling once more. Okay. Super fantastic performance. Idadr mele namma groom's cousins ellaru ready agidare for the performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and let's welcome the groom's cousins, Nandini, Arun, Nivedita, Mehul and Naveen to quickly come up on stage.
And now, let's talk about how Saloni became a VIP in our family. So much so that even the kids started noticing.
This was when my kids came down to India. But there was a problem. Shreyas was MIA most of the time.
Naturally, the kids started asking around, where is Santu Mama? Where is Santu Mama?
Finally, Virat had a genius idea. He went to Shreyas' mom and said,
Archie, stop calling Santu Mama. Instead, why don't you just call Saloni Didi?
he'll automatically show up. And the whole house burst into laughter because, well, the kid wasn't wrong. Saloni had officially became Shreya's personal GPS.
At this point, even if Shreya's mom wanted to find her own son, she just called Saloni. Efficient, right?
चोरी चोरी से किसी को पता ना चला आंखों में जो तारे हैं करते इशारे हैं तेरे लिए मैं हूँ बना
मुझ पे छाया जो नूर है तेरा इश्क तू है मेरा।
अगर ये था गुजरातियों का जोश, अब देखेंगे मराठियों का स्वैग।
Saloni and Shreyas, two people who could probably argue over the color of the sky.
But no matter how much they fight, they are like magnets, can't stay apart for long.
This performance is sneak peek into their love story, full of drama, laughter and whole lots of love.
ये कैसा लड़का है
ये कैसी लड़की है
इसका मैं क्या करूं
इससे मैं क्या कहूँ
ये लड़ता है
अकड़ती है
झगड़ता है
बिगड़ती है
दीवाना है
दीवानी है
But he's your best friend, yeah?
But she's your best friend, yeah?
Now it's time for my family to share little love in our way.
Because if there is one thing our family knows, it's how to celebrate love in the most heartfelt way.
ಜೇನಿನ ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
ಜೇನಿನ ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
ಜೇನಿನ ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
ಮನಗಳು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಮನೆಯಂತೆ
ಮನಗಳು ಸೇರಿದರೆ ತುಂಬಿದ ಮನೆಯಂತೆ
ತುಂಬಿದ ಮನೆಯವರೇ ಧರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಗುವಿನ ದೊರೆಯಂತೆ ಜೇನಿನ ಗೂಡು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯಾದರೆ ಜೇನಿಲ್ಲ
wonderful cousins from Shreyas's family. Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much for coming on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Shreyas and Saloni on stage. So I would want everybody to make some noise for Shreyas and Saloni. Music, please.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead.
Well, I found a man stronger than anyone I know. He shares my dreams. I hope that someday we'll share our home.
I found a love to carry more than just a secret. To carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You were perfect tonight.
Come on, guys, you can be more generous. Make some noise.
है सारी ज़मीन, चाहे कहीं से चलूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं। तेरे सिवा मैं जाऊं कहाँ, कोई भी राह चुनूं, तुझ पे ही आके रुकूं। तुम मिले तो लम्हे थम गए, तुम मिले तो सारे गम गए, तुम मिले तो मुस्कुराना आ गया। तुम मिले तो जादू छा गया, तुम मिले तो जीना आ गया, तुम मिले तो मैंने पाया है खुदा। ನೆನಪಿದೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ನೋಟ, ನೆನಪಿದೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ, ನೆನಪಿದೆಯೇ ಮತ್ತನು ತಂದ ಆ ಮೊದಲ ಚುಂಬನ.
ನೆನಪಿದೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಕನಸು, ನೆನಪಿದೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಮುನಿಸು, ನೆನಪಿದೆಯೇ ಕಂಬನಿ ತುಂಬಿ ನೀನಿದ್ದ ಸಾಂತ್ವನ. ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ನಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಾಳಲಿ?
ನೀ ಅಮೃತಧಾರೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಜನುಮ ಜತೆಗಾತಿ, ನೀ ಅಮೃತಧಾರೆ ಇಹಕು ಪರಕು ಸಂಗಾತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲವಾದರೆ ನಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಾಳಲಿ? ನೀ ಅಮೃತಧಾರೆ.
Oh my God, this was Saloni and Shreyas for you. Come on, everybody, make some noise for them. What a performance. Once again, both of you kindly stay back. We have a small game, and this is based on audience poll. So they wanted me to play this special game for the both of you. So what we'll be doing is, this is called the compatibility game. And ನಾನು ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಲೋನಿ ಆರ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಹಿಮ್. If the answer is Saloni, you have to show her. So ibru nimma answers nodangilla. So let's see how compatible both of you are. Okay, so you'll have to turn your backs, everybody. Yeah. So now our audience, since you know Saloni and Shreyas a lot more, so you should tell whether the answer is correct or wrong. Okay, now are we ready? Yeah. So we start off with a simple question. Who is more romantic? Yaru jasti romantic agirodu? 1 second, let them answer and then you guys tell whether the answer is right or wrong. Okay, so the answer is Saloni or Shreyas? Saloni, yes, they are saying Saloni anta, so the answer is Shreyas, and that side also Ikadene Shreyas anta helta idare, so they got the first point correct. So first answer correct agi helidira. The next question is, who is more adventurous? Yaru jasti adventurous agirodu? Of course. Okay, what is that one most adventurous thing that you've done, Saloni?
So far, I think it has to be the skydiving in San Diego.
Wow, okay, all right. So are you scared of adventures or do you also do adventures? Really scared. Always opposite attract. Correct? One will be adventurous, one more will be really scared. Okay. So Iga, the next question is, who is a bigger crybaby when they fall sick? Yaru altare athwa they will be a bigger crybaby when they are sick. Correct? 100% Saloni anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Very nice. Okay. So this is quite a tricky question. So madve ಆದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ who will be doing the house chores? Is it Saloni or okay, Saloni, I think you'll have to look at Shreyas' answer there. He's all ready to do the laundry, the dishes. What a lucky girl you are. Okay. So Iga, the next one is, who takes longer in the shower? Yaru jasti time tagolodu to get ready or yeah. So it's of course Saloni, obviously. Okay. The next one is, who is most excited for this wedding? Who's the most excited for this wedding? I want to ask this question. So Shreyas, you're not excited, huh?
Not as much as her. She's really excited.
Okay, done. All right, he's playing safe now. Inandre amele maneli ide. Okay, the next question is, who made the first move? Who made the first move? Is it Saloni or Shreyas? Okay, done. All right. The last question is, who has the craziest family? I think both your families are crazy, but the craziest family yaratra irodu? Is it Shreyas or Saloni? I can't hear them. Yeah, come on. Shreyas or Saloni's family? Both the families, you'll have to make some noise. Come on, everybody, make some noise. Fantastic. Almost all the questions you got it right, except that, which is that question where, yes, except that I think every other question is correct. 100 marks tagondu pass agidare. So can we give it up for this beautiful couple? Thank you so much once again, congratulating both of you. Thank you, and please be seated. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, we are moving to the next performance ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ beautiful Jyoti madam along with her friends. So sit back and enjoy. madam and her wonderful friends. Thank you so much for coming up on stage. All of you were absolutely lovely. Thank you. So ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ bride's friends stage ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So requesting everybody from the bride side. Come on everybody, clap for the music. Last two performances of this evening.
मैडम जी देसी फैशन में लगती होली में घोली मीठी इलायची हिले ऊंची फॉरेन डिजाइन नखरा बातें बड़ी है हाय फाय बिगला पिया पे एटीट्यूड वखरा झूमे ऐसे ना रोकी जाए ओ जद्दो नच्चे बेबी सज धज
Come on everybody, make some noise.
लगदी है जद्दो नच्चे बेबी सज धज लगदी है तेरे माथे झूमर दमके तेरे कानों वाली चमके है रे तेरे हाथों कंगना खनके तेरे पैरों पायल छनके है रे
Come on everybody, sing along.
नैनों से
Let's say rabba rabba.
मैं ढोले रब्बा रब्बा अमृत ढोले रब्बा रब्बा तू सोनिया
Sorry, acha mahi ve. Everybody sing sorry, sorry, acha mahi ve. Sorry, acha mahi ve. Everybody sing sorry, acha mahi ve. That's the way, mahi ve.
Awesome. Okay. Saloni, this is a special video for you that your friends have curated. So Saloni and Shreyas, I request both of you to kindly have a look at the video. Can we quickly have the VT, please?
तेरी यारी चल माना इस बारी सारी मेरी फिक्रें तेरे आगे आके हारी बह लगी मुझको तेरी बीमारी इस ढंग की दुनिया के सबकी हम न होते यारा अपनी तो यारियत रंगी है रे कर बेरंगी शामे मुर्दंगी मस्त मलंगी यारा अपनी तो यारियत रंगी है रे रंगी है ठहरा तू हर मोड़ पर हो यारा मेरे लिए भूला तू खुद की डगर हो यारा मेरे लिए हर कदम संचली तेरी यारी इस ढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा अपनी तो यारियत रंगी है रे कर बेरंगी शामे मुर्दंगी बस मलंगी यारा अपनी तो यारियत रंगी है रे रंगी है
Saloni in 2015 during PUC. This was not just meeting another friend, it was more like being kidnapped into a friendship. But love took over me, and here we stand. Our friendship grown even more stronger. Distance grew since she moved to Bangalore, and 400 other places I can't even keep a track of. But to me, she has always lived in the most cherished part of my heart. And oh, how I've hidden all the Shreyas given gifts from your mom, kept all those secrets to watch you marry him today. I can't help but feel 100 emotions, both happy and sad, to see you go to 200 more honeymoon locations. Cheers to you and cheers. You are my ideal couple. Love you.
Cheers to our friendship. We have truly come a long way. Cheers to you, Saloni, who has always been there for me, and to the wine I can always trust. Your creativity is unmatched, and your determination to achieve whatever you set your mind to is something I've deeply admired. Above all, she has that incredible ability to take the right step at the right time. Here's to your better future ahead. Love you always.
Yay! You're finally getting married. With Saloni, I have completely lost track of how many years we have been friends for. It's been that long. But you know what? I actually hate keeping the count, because I know that this friendship of ours, it's forever. From being my only friend in B division, yes, I'm calling that out, to being one of my closest, we have come such a long and beautiful way together. And I just can't thank you enough for always reminding me for not being over dramatic. But me being me can't help. Now here you are with the best partner by your side. Like as if having the best of friends wasn't enough for you. Just kidding. Honestly, I couldn't be happier for you. Seeing you this happy, this radiant, it's making my heart feel all warm and fuzzy. So cheers to you both for finding each other, for choosing each other, and for giving us this beautiful day to celebrate. Lots and lots of love to you both, and a little extra to the person who gets to deal with your quirks now. Congratulations, you guys.
यारी तेरी यारी चल माना इस
How
बारी
cute! Can we give it up for the friends, everybody? What a beautiful bond that you guys share. No crying, yeah. Come on. All right, everybody together, let's say, I heart you, okay? Together, let's show all the love that you have for Saloni. Some bonds are really, really special, and friendship is one of them. You guys are more than friends for her, you're family to her. On the count of 3, 2, 1, go! How cute, only she hearts her, huh? Come on, everybody together, on the count of 3, 2, 1, go! How cute. Thank you so much. All of you are fantastic. Thank you. Thank you so much once again for joining in and making this special evening even more special with your presence. So we are here to celebrate Shreyas and Saloni. Thank you. Thank you once again. The last performance of this evening, we have Shreyas' friends on stage. Music, please.
Cheers!
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಕುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರು ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಕುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ
अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से अंगड़ाइयाँ लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से वो आह की आवाज है आती हर रोज
up for them once again. All the friends kindly stay back, especially the real Mastu Mastu Hudgi. It'll be only fair if I call the real Mastu Mastu Hudgi on the stage. Please, along with Shreyas, come on. Please go on the stage for a picture together. And of course, all the beautiful girls here, Nana, get your entire gang and on the stage. Yelluru ottagi vandu dance move madana, and then we'll end this fantastic evening. Thank you so much. Please come on the stage, Bunny. Okay, so this song is again dedicated to the Mastu Mastu Hudgi, Saloni. So how it's like, you know, buying from Meesho and Amazon Taram. Okay, so let's all dance together. I'm sorry for this, but yeah. So let's dance together for the song Mastu Mastu Hudgi. I want all the Mastu Mastu Hudgi to come on the stage. Can we quickly have Nana and your entire gang and the Mastu Mastu Hudgi here? Come on the stage, okay? So we are ending this fantastic evening with the dance move.
Cheers!
Come on, everybody!
ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ ಕುಸ್ತು ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರು ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ದೋಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರು ಸುಸ್ತುವಾಗಿ
Come on, everybody on the dance floor, the DJ is on! Everybody on the dance floor, come on, everybody! Come on, everybody on the dance floor, the last track for this evening. Come on, all the beautiful girls and the gentlemen. Let's do the hook step. Woo!
उरत होते धडधड लागली गालावर आली आणि अंगात भरलंय वार ही कीर्तीची बाधा झाली
अरे उरत होते धडधड लागली गालावर आली आणि अंगात भरलंय वार ही कीर्तीची बाधा झाली
आता धीर झालो या मग बधीर झालो या आणि तुझ्याच साठी बनून मजनू माग आलो या आग उडतंय मुंगाट पळतंय झिंगाट रंगात आलं या झालंय आता उठावीर झालो गुडला बाशिंग बांधलं तुझ्या नावाचं मी निशेले टॅटून गोंधलं
आता उठावीर झालो गुडगा बाशिंग बांधलं तुझ्या नावाचं मी शेल टॅटून गोंधलं आता भरून आलो या
हात भरून आलो या लई दुरून आलो या आणि करून धाडी भारी परफ्यूम मारून आलो या आग समजा परत लई जोरात रंगत आलो या
The dance. Woo! Woo! Come on, everybody! This is a flash mob! Woo!
इस रात का है अपना मजा आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा ओ इस रात का है अपना मजा
लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे रंट लगा रंट लगा रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे ठुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
Alright, last song for this evening.
ಖಾಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಟ್ರು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಲೈಫು ಆಚೆಗಾಕೋಳೆ ವೈಫು ಖಾಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಟ್ರು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಲೈಫು ಆಚೆಗಾಕೋಳೆ ವೈಫು ಕಣ್ ತುಂಬ ನೀರು ಬಾಯ್ ತುಂಬ ಬೀರು ಕಣ್ ತುಂಬ ನೀರು ಬಾಯ್ ತುಂಬ ಬೀರು
Sing along, everybody.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬಾರು ಗಂಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳ ತವರು 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 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಾಟ್ರು ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಲೈಫು ಆಚೆಗಾಕೋಳೆ ವೈಫು